to my quick review of the GoVee LED lighting on my Jeep Grand Cherokee. Stay tuned and check it out. So here's my Jeep with the lights off actually, and then through the magic of video editing, we have the blue lights on. Front, back, rear, I also have 2 sets of lights. And this is the controller. A turns them off and on, or on and off as you would. B controls intensity. C changes the color. If you look up underneath the dash here, it's actually convenient so I can see when the lights are on. And then the D button changes them to the strobe mode. Pretty handy to be able to see them and then know when they're on or when they're off. Right up next to the window of the dash is an advantage because when I raise the hood, it lights up the engine compartment. Obviously, if I go to white, I can see a little bit better. The LEDs are held on by a 3M double-sided tape. Well, I have to admit they're very resilient. I've been through a major snowstorm, a lot of rainstorms, and quite a few car washes, and they're still going strong. They can stroke differently, and like I said, I have a top setting and a bottom setting, so they operate independently of each other. There it is from the back side. And then obviously I'm strobing right here, but if you pay attention, I'll set it to the rolling motion where it kind of fades from front to back. And then I'll do the front one on the grill as well. So here we go in the strobing. And now there goes the fade. Very, very cool. About 35 feet away, you can see what it looks like. And then from the rear it's about 20 feet. That seems to be the limit of the remote. And now I'm going to head out of here, get in the truck, and take a drive down the road, and let you see what the lights of the hood look like as I travel. Well, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to help this channel grow, and I will see you on the other side.